Hello everybody, I am Meenakshi Dubey from Kotak Mutual Funds. Today I am here to present the module which is known as the next wave. Well, from the name itself you could have understood that here we will be talking about the unseen opportunities that is there in the mutual fund industry in the near business. So, let us start with the module. This module will be divided into three parts, basically how we have been doing part A, part B and part C. Today I will be presenting part A of the module. So before we start the module, it is very much important for us to know that what is in it. What are you going to benefit out of it? Now, the Indian mutual fund industry is currently experiencing a state of flux while ample opportunities are knocking at the door. It is equally concerned with the numerous challenges as well. However, as the Albert Einstein states, in the middle of difficulty lies opportunities. The dictum is equally applicable to Indian mutual fund industry. So let us see what will be our point of discussions. The point that we are supposed to cover in this module are the challenges in the market, that is in the mutual fund market, the opportunities that are lying ahead, few important age spectrums on which we need to focus for our business, what is contingency fund and its important, why compartmentalizing is needed, and the most important part is the growth stories of the Indian mutual fund market and fact check that can tell you the potential available for us in the near future. So let us begin with our module. Now, if I have to talk about the current situation, the COVID-19 crisis has affected societies and economies around the globe. While the fallout from the crisis is both amplifying familiar risks and creating new ones, leading to permanent reshaping of our world as it continues to unfold. Change at this scale also creates new openings for managing systematic challenges and ways to build back better. We need to look across the broad range of issues and consider where the balance of risk and opportunity may come out. It also offers decision makers a comprehensive picture of expected long-term changes and inspiration to leverage the opportunities these crises offer to improve the state of the world. Let us see what can be the viewpoint. Taking on such challenges is an important part of growing and developing as a person. The more one tests their limits and capabilities, the more they will learn about themselves. However, it is important for us to know that new challenges are opportunities for us. When we take on new challenges, we also have to face the possibility of failure. Rather than seeing the opportunity in the situation, often we focus on what it will be like to fail. Am I right? Going ahead, let us see what are the challenges in the mutual fund distribution. Well, we are in a market, in fact we are in a saturated market which is cluttered with number of challenges. And to name a few are client expectations, clients' low level of market awareness, low participation and penetration, difficulties in online transactions, focus on short-term goals. Few more are like, changes in the SEBI guidelines, removal of upfront, reduction in the trail commission, the volatile markets, and the recent one is the challenges that we get from the direct and online competition. Now here if you see, actually these are two different sets of challenges. First is the challenges that can be managed and beaten. That means these are the challenges that can be controlled by us. This set of manageable challenges can be handled by doing something extra or by walking the extra mile. Whereas the other one is a set of challenges that are totally out of our control and cannot be managed or handled, as we are not the decision maker here. You and I, we cannot make the changes in the percentage of the trail commission. We cannot reduce it or we cannot increase it. So taking our discussion ahead from here, I would like to focus on the challenges that can be handled by us, because we always believe that it is good to put our energies towards things that we can change, that things that is in our control. Am I right? So let us go ahead and see the manageable challenges. Now, the first challenges that can be managed is the client expectation. Client expectation can be managed by being present to answer and handle all the queries raised by the client. Handling a distressed client can make you his reliable source throughout the life. That is what we talk about the service part. I have always been saying that let us focus on being a one point of contact for the investor. Be it any query, any support, any guidance that he needs, the only person that your investor should get in touch with is you. The another important challenge that can be managed is the low market knowledge. That means the low market awareness. You as a trusted advisor need to continuously keep your client aware of all the things that are happening in the market and of all the action that is being taken with his money. It is very important for you to keep educating yourself and your client as well. Again, this will enable him to believe that his money is safe and is in the right hands. What can be done is you can arrange various campaigns, you can share different articles wherein your partner or your investor actually understands the importance of investing into a mutual fund. He should be aware what will happen to his money if invested directly into equity or just kept lying in the bank account. Vice versa, what is the returns that he can get when it comes to the mutual fund business. Am I correct? Let us go ahead and see the other part of manageable challenges. Now here it is a very important thing which talks about low participation and penetration. Let me show you a pyramid here. Okay. Now here we are talking about low penetration of mutual fund business. Now if you see, India has a total population of 130 crores, out of which 123 crore, that is 95% of the population, is Aadhaar card holder. Out of 130 crores, 80 crore is an adult population, which comprises of nearly 62%. Out of this 80 crore, 75 crore, that means 58% of the population have their own bank accounts. That means they are the bank account holders. 42 crore of the population holds their PAN card. They are the PAN card holders. 35 crore of the population in India now have their insurance policies. It could be life insurance, it could be medical insurance, but they have covered themselves. Out of the entire population, 8.5 crore is a registered taxpayer. Now, if you see the bottom of the pyramid, which shows you 2 crores, is the total strength of mutual fund investors that we have in the country. So you see a population of 130 crores, but we have mere a very small percentage of 2%, which approximately comes around 2 crore of the entire population who invest into the mutual fund industry. That means we have that low penetration levels when it comes to the mutual fund business. The another set of manageable challenges is, if you are facing difficulties in handling online transactions, there are various platforms that tell you about, how to take care of the online transactions, how you can do your online empanelment, how you can merge your folios, and also how you can initiate an online redemption. One of the another concern area is people these days, or a set of people these days, focus on the short term goals. It is very important for us to make them aware that once an individual starts focusing on short term goal, he will always be tempted to break his investments. In case of any need, the first thing that will be compromised will be his SIPs, that is the systematic investment plans. As a result of this, what will happen? The long-term goal will always get compromised, because then it will be, okay, this is a thing that has to be done 10 years later. Okay, we can think about it later. And last but not the least, if an individual has an way of thinking or way of focusing on the short-term goals, in the long run, in future, there is always a chances of him falling into debts, getting into the credits, which definitely is not a good sign. These things can be managed by maintaining a relationship with your investor, focusing on the investment growth, telling them how long-term goals are important in life. Now, the most important thing is, without challenges, there would be no opportunities. Though these are few of the major problems in the current situation, but then these challenges have always been there, right? So in fact, if you ask yourself, challenges has always been there, be it you are in the business for 5 years, 10 years, whatever. But that is, you have always overcome those challenges and the new opportunity has come up. So from here, we will revisit the challenges and see how we can convert these challenges into opportunities. Also, going forward, we will see how we can explore new opportunities. The bigger the challenge, the bigger will be the opportunity. In our next video, we will discuss about the immense opportunity that the Indian mutual fund market has to offer in the coming future. Also, we'll talk about two important age spectrums that can be so vital for our business. So, for part A, the introductory part, I have this much for you. I'll see you again in part B of the module. Thank you so much.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.